Buddy. All right, cowgirl. Let's go get some laundry done.
In my mind, I think about it now. Can I find home? Is a place I left behind. I left it by choice. Can I find my own sweet home?
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see all your life. You only live. Good job. 2-2.
Three.
Yeah.
Oh!
Good job.
Are you gonna plop down in it, or should we go over to the people? Little footprints.
It's not me.
A little bit, almost across. Keep walking past the camera.
It's not actually Wren's birthday yet, but my parents are here today, so we're gonna do a little birthday celebration with her here at the house. She's got her crown on.
Well, she's not 4 yet.
Flames. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow out the paper.
Good job. Yay. Oh, you blew them right out.
Look down there. Oh, it's upside down.
What does it say, Caspian?
Press your own paper pups.
Oh.
Shopkins.
Shopkins.
The one with the big fluffy tail, or the one with all the
Looking for
pokes
this
all
guy.
over
He's
it?
somewhere around here, but we only have Wi-Fi, so we can't go very far
But I thought,
without losing the signal.
oh yeah, I forgot all about that.
Let's see if we can. This worked earlier today. Worked earlier today to get one. We went down the street and didn't lose Wi-Fi and got an EV. And I wonder if the spawn point is the same over here.
Yeah, maybe that's where the spawn point is.
Yep, there he is. Okay, let's run back. So we
Get
don't lose
back.
the Wi-Fi. CP230. Let's raspberry him. And let's try a great ball.
What if they could hypnotize you to not catch them and then they'd run away?
Great, all right. We get him? Got him. That's the only thing now, and there's nothing else on the map. There's the creek. There's Snake Island. There's the bridge. Nothing. There's the hotel. General store.
The garage for
The house next to us. Our house isn't on here.
Second trip down.
Oh, together.
Yeah, we can splash around almost there.
How's the work going?
We're making great progress here. We built all this earlier today.
What's the end goal of this project?
Well, they want to get close to the rapids. I'm not sure exactly how close we're going to get, but that's what we're doing.
But I can just put my hands and they just stay there. It's enough pressure.
I pulled my back yesterday getting a container out of the car top carrier, and every step now is a little uncomfortable. I'm walking like an old man, just taking tiny little steps. Hopefully it gets better before I drive again.